Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, today our topic is Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. In the previous lecture, we just introduced the four rightly guided caliphs and the syllabus of this topic according to the Cambridge International. Today, inshallah, we will discuss Hazrat Usman in detail. In this topic, we will discuss services of Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu during his own caliphate period, and then the election of Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu as caliph. Next one is the battles fought during the era of Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And next will be reasons of revolt against Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And then the charges, the false allegations against Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And in the end, we will discuss the death and martyrdom of Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Now, we will discuss the election of Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Before the caliphate period of Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was the Khalifa of the Islamic State, and on his deathbed he nominated 6 persons, and name of those 6 persons are Hazrat Aliul Murtaza radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Zubair bin Awam radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. So these are the 6 persons who were nominated by Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. During the lifetime of Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he wanted Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah to become Khalifa after Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. But Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu died during the lifetime of Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Then Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu nominated the 6 persons whose names are here and give the choice to the Muslim community to choose their own Khalifa. Among these 6 personalities, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu refused because he did not bear the responsibility on his shoulders. That's why he refused. And Hazrat Talha radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was not in Medina at that time. So there are 4 persons left. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, Hazrat Zubair bin Awam radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqqas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And then Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was elected as Chief Election Commissioner, and he took the responsibility to choose the Khalifa among the 4 personalities. Then he went to Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And Hazrat Usman Ghani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu said that the best choice for Khilafat is Hazrat Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. When Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu ta'ala anhu went to Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, he said that Hazrat Usman is the best choice for Khilafah. So Hazrat Usman voted Hazrat Ali, and Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu voted Hazrat Usman. Then he went to Hazrat Saad Raziyallahu Ta'ala, and Hazrat Saad Raziyallahu Ta'ala voted Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Then he went to Hazrat Zubair bin Awam Raziyallahu Ta'ala, and Hazrat Zubair bin Awam Raziyallahu Ta'ala said that choose the Khalifa between Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Usman. So he voted Hazrat Usman and Hazrat Ali. And then Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Raziyallahu Ta'ala went other prominent figures of that time, Ansars and Muhajirin. Majority of the people, majority of the Muslims voted Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala. So with the majority of the people of Medina, Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu was elected the third Khalifa of Islamic Empire. After this process, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu took the Bai'at on the hand of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu as Khalifa. And after Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, Zubair bin Awam Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, and other prominent figures of Medina took the Bai'at of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu as Khalifa. And then there was a general Bai'at pledge on the hand of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. So this is the whole story of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu becoming Khalifa of the whole Islamic empire. And then Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu took the office of Khalifa. He faced many difficulties. The first 7 to 8 years of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu's Khilafat were the reminder of the glorious period of Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. But due to the leniency and kind-heartedness of Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, there are some problems arose, and the conspirators put the charges and false allegations against Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala. So now we will discuss about the charges and the false allegations. But before study the charges, we will discuss the reason of revolt. What was the reason of revolt against Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu? Listen it very careful. Now, causes of revolts against Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. The last 4 years of Hazrat Usman's Khilafat were full of conspiracies and revolts. The Muslim state under his rule was inhabited by many tribes and nationalities. They had either been subjugated by Islam or been absorbed in Islam, but most of them had not yet imbibed the true spirit of Islam. Moreover, the Jews, who had lost their religious and social importance and had been expelled first from Medina and then from Khaybar for their conspiracies, were nursing grievances against Muslims. They were waiting for an opportunity to destroy Islam. Hazrat Usman expelled some of these conspirators from Kufa and Basra. This did not improve matters. It only worsened the situation, because these conspirators spread the sphere of their activities to other areas, especially Egypt, where a number of Jews had become Muslims but were in reality the worst enemies of Islam. Their plan was to divide the Muslim nation into sects so they may fight against themselves. The leader of this conspiracy was Abdullah bin Sabah, a Jew of Yemen. He posed as a Muslim, but his objective was to destroy Islam. He used the name of Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu to instigate people against Hazrat Usman and create two parties of the followers of Hazrat Usman and Hazrat Ali. After Medina, he went to Basra, Kufa, Damascus, and Egypt. It was because of his propaganda the Muslims began to differ in religious matters. The rivalry and jealousy among the Quraysh themselves, that is between the Hashemites and Umayyads, weakened the power of Khalifa Hazrat Usman Ghani radiallahu ta'ala anhu. It constituted one of the main causes of his failure. Under the peaceful reign of Hazrat Usman, the tribal jealousies began to raise their head. The simple and kind character of Hazrat Usman was also responsible for the many problems which then world of Islam faced. His leniency encouraged his enemies and conspirators to carry out their evil intentions. So these are some causes of revolts against Hazrat Usman. Inshallah tabarak wa ta'ala, in the next lecture, we will discuss the charges and the false allegations against Hazrat Usman. Now, I just name them out. The first one is appointment of inefficient relatives as governors. The second one is leniency. And the third one is burning of Quran. So we will discuss inshallah in detail in the next lecture. May God bless you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.